Hi, become a true successful data analyst with my step-by-step training classes. 100% practical, step-by-step and into real-world activities. Data analyst is one of the trending job in the current IT market because I included AI, because I included Copilot and cloud concepts. I am pretty sure this unique data analyst training program is especially curated for you to boost the value of your resume. I'm very confident about it. By end of my classes, by end of my course, I'm pretty sure you will see a new, unique, fresh resume to capture the market leads. I mean your recruiter eyes. Let's get started. This is Sai Fanindra from SQL School. For 2 decades, I have been into database technologies since my first job at Microsoft 2005 BGIT project. Since then, I have been creating lakhs of data and database professionals. More importantly, data analysts certified and proved. Agenda for today's short intro class, we are going to learn what is data analyst job role or who exactly data analyst is, the components we need to learn, the job roles we need to target, the certifications we need to write to prove ourselves and also to justify our resume, and what exactly we are going to learn in our classes and including the project details. Let's get all 6 important items for next few minutes. Let's get started. First, who is exactly a data analyst or what is the data analyst job? Data analyst is all about processing. Data analytics is all about processing, analyzing the data and processing the data for easy end user eyesight or easy end user insights of your data, the business data. Very easy, straightforward, and trust me, very meaningful and easy to implement. Bit vast. Hence, data analyst is one of the most demanding job role in IT market in this AI world. In our training classes, we will be learning how to read data from various data sources you see on my screen like Excel, databases, CSV, comma separated value files, logs, APIs, websites, business applications. Any kind of data we can easily read, understand, analyze, and simply put in a nice colorful dashboarding format to capture the end user or the customer eyes in a simple way. Yes, in our data analyst training program, I included all important components. Firstly, I'll be teaching you the database concepts and SQL module 1. Then I will be teaching you Power BI with AI and Copilot concepts. Number 3, I will be teaching you Python. Number 4, it would be Excel, Advanced Excel and macros with AI implementations. Number 5 would be 2 real-time projects for our resume. Yes, it's very important to beautify our resume with full confidence because we learn it completely step by step without any compromise. We need to target various job responsibilities. We need to target in our classes about reading, extracting the data, collecting the data, cleaning the data, formatting the data using SQL, Excel, Python, and also few libraries in Python called Pandas, Matplotlib, and NumericalPy. In our classes, we will be also aiming at good number of technologies, including visualizations and statistics for the purpose of true data analyst journey. Moreover, in our classes, I will be guiding you for the data analyst certification from Microsoft. There is one certification called PL300 from Microsoft for data analyst training program. I will be taking utmost care to make sure you get the best score. For PL300 examination, data analyst certification from Microsoft. Everything single course, single shop SQL school. In our classes, step by step, we are going to learn with a proper roadmap activities, various types of data sources. We will be learning how to implement various walks of data and get into beautiful outputs, the true data analysis. In module 1, we will be learning about the database concepts. We will be learning from the database types, SQL types, from basics of SQL. Of course, from installations, I'll be guiding you how to step into SQL. I'll be providing you good number of hands-on exercises every day with SQL basics, data types, and Excel data import activities. I will be teaching you schemas, constraints, and normal forms. I will be teaching you joins and queries, views, and stored procedures. Very, very important for dynamic data analytics procedures. We'll be learning about user-defined functions, triggers and automations, and transactions with ACID properties. Step by step, we are going to learn user-defined functions, triggers and automations, transactions, ACID properties, CTEs, common table expressions and tuning concepts, indexes and tuning activities, group by queries, joins with group by, subqueries, cursors and fetch activities. We need to learn about window functions, merge, and also 2 important real-world case studies we will be learning in this particular module, MS SQL and TSQL with tuning. Then we will move on to the next module, that is Power BI with AI. In this module, we will be learning about the concepts of Power BI, introduction, installations with architecture, Power BI design concepts, and visualizations with Power BI templates, PBIT. Then I'll be making you learn practically grouping and hierarchies, slicer and visual sync, hierarchies and drill down concepts, filters and drill through, bookmarks and buttons, SQL databases and big data access. It is in chapter number 9. We are going to apply what all we learned in the first module, complete SQL, those 24 chapters. So things will be very straightforward and simple and easy to implement. We'll be learning about detailed Power BI visualizations, Power Query ETL concepts, transformations. Yes, various levels of transformations we need to learn, like text, any column, text column, date, time, transformations. We'll be learning about parameters, add column activities, function queries, list queries, and then move on to cloud with dashboards, semantic models, cloud operations, and gateways, data gateways for data refresh activities. We'll be learning about Power BI Cloud, Cloud apps, and report server concepts with AI, the new add-on in Microsoft Power BI very recently, report server with AI. We'll be learning about paginated reports, also called RDL reports, DAX concepts, DAX measures, DAX activities for data modeling, DAX joins and variables, DAX time intelligence concepts, DAX row-level security with analytical reports. No doubt, the things will be very detailed and step by step. Then we'll move on for Python Analytics, the third module. We'll be learning Python Introduction to Installations, Python print statements. We'll be learning about Python variables, Python operators and data types we'll be learning. Then we'll be learning about Python lists, dictionaries, tuples, and then we'll proceed for if-else conditions. We'll be learning about Python loops, Python file handling activities, data frames, SQL DB access, and transformations. There are various levels of transformations we'll be learning in our classes to beautify our job role and also to beautify our resume and secure our job desk. I will be teaching you in detail every activity with various real-world scenarios. In Module 4 Excel, Advanced Excel and Macros, we will be teaching you step by step on Excel concepts, formatting activities, file proofing activities, data proofing activities and functions. We'll be teaching you about protecting the Excel activities, an interesting concept, text functions, date and time functions. We'll be teaching you advanced techniques in Excel, Excel 365, the latest new features and also 3D maps, clustering concepts, forecasting activities, smart lookups, even printable workbooks. We'll be teaching you about the sorting and filtering techniques with new Excel functions, what if analysis with latest controls, logical functions, data validations, and lookup functions in Excel. We'll be teaching you about the pivot tables with various levels of pivot tables for beautiful Excel dashboards. We'll be teaching you about macros, different levels of macros for your real-time project implementations. Trust me, things are very streamlined and you will see the technical maturity in our training classes and training programs. 2 real-time projects that we provide will surely win your resume and make it more unique to attract the eyes of your recruiters. We are here to optimize your profiles, maybe Naukri or LinkedIn or whatever. We are here to guide you step by step for the certification program. We do provide placement assistance. What more you want? Come on, let's sign up for a live demo class. Let's understand more about our actual program step by step. See you there in my actual classes. Thank you so much and see you soon. Bye-bye. Take care. Have a nice time. Thank you once again.